Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sanjay and I'm going to share with you my favorite dandruff remedy. This remedy will help you get rid of all the dandruff that you have. If you have mild dandruff, then within 1 or 2 uses you will see the result. But if you have extreme dandruff and it's not going, it's very stubborn, then my next video, which has a 3-step dandruff remedy, will help you get rid of it completely. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified of my next video. So this remedy is slightly different than very usual remedies that you see on YouTube or on Google, or when you're searching for dandruff, you will see you need to use those anti-dandruff shampoos, really harsh shampoos that will strip all the natural oils from your hair. It will make your hair quality really poor. You will have frizzy, dull looking hair at the end of the day. Because they are very drying, they will clean the scalp, they will strip all the oils, but they will ruin your hair health. Now, I'm not saying it's same for everyone. For some people, it's very easy. If they got dandruff, they go for anti-dandruff shampoo and they use it once or twice and the dandruff is gone. They're happy, their hair is healthy, and that's it. But so for some people, it is quite hard to get rid of dandruff and the buildup that they have on their scalp. Now, this remedy that I'm going to share is a very basic remedy. However, it could be a possibility that you might not be able to find the first ingredient, the main ingredient that I'm going to share. I'm going to show you where you can find them. You might find them in Asian Indian stores. It's called Indian gooseberry, also called amla in Hindi. And you can also find them on Amazon if you want to order online. That's another option. But if you want to buy it from store, these are the options that you can buy from. Other than that, I'm not sure where else you are located and where else you can find them. I normally buy them from my Indian grocery store. Now, to make this remedy, you need 2 ingredients. The first ingredient is yogurt. Full fat, low fat, fat free, doesn't matter which yogurt you're using, but you need to make sure they don't have no preservatives or they don't have no flavoring in it. Now let's see how to make this remedy and how often and how to apply it. Let's get started. To make this remedy, you need Indian gooseberry. Here I've chopped up and removed the seeds of the Indian gooseberry and put it in the blender and add a little bit water and blend it out. Now, the whole point of doing this remedy is you need amla juice. Means you need the juice of this Indian gooseberry. There are many other ways of doing this, but this is the simplest way. Just blend it in and take the juice out. I'm going to strain all the pulp out. You can use the leftover pulp in pickles so you don't waste anything. I don't like to waste amla because this ingredient, this amla Indian gooseberry, is so beneficial for your health. You can eat it in any way, like in pickles, in sweet desserts or anything, even make a dip out of it. You will still have some benefits of this special fruit, I would say. You can even drink this juice for extra benefits. And if you decide to drink this juice as a juice, then make sure you dilute it with water because of its pungent and tangy flavor. Now for the hair remedy, do not dilute it. Just take 2 spoons once you strained it. Take 2 spoons of Indian gooseberry juice. The quantity will depend on your hair length and thickness. Adjust the quantity according to your hair length and thickness. There's no harm in using a little bit more. Amla got antifungal and antibacterial properties which will help combat all the dandruff issues, all the scalp issues that you have. Even sometimes it helps with the eczema. Because it helps with purifying your blood, it will help you with premature graying, hair fall, and other scalp issues. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Here I'm using full fat yogurt because of course I do want all the fatty acids that are present in the yogurt along with calcium and some lactic acid. Full fat yogurt will condition my hair. The lactic acid present in the yogurt will help me with my dandruff. Mix both of them well, and then you can let them in room temperature so that it's not too cold for your scalp, and then you can apply it on your head. Now for extra benefits, for dandruff especially, you can add few drops of oil, essential oil. Here I'm using tea tree essential oil, which is really effective for dandruff. You can also add bergamot or lemongrass essential oils, either of these three, to prevent dandruff. So here is your hair mask that's ready for dandruff. Now I will apply on my hair and show you how long to leave it on. Start with applying on scalp and then massage it very lightly with your fingertips. Avoid scratching your scalp as it can aggravate your dandruff or any other scalp issues that you may have. Once you got your head covered, apply on your hair from mid-length to the tips. So basically, you're covering your hair from root to tips. After this, tie it up in a bun and then wrap it up with plastic or cling film or even a shower cap. I normally focus on my hairline when I'm applying any hair mask because this actually helped me grow my hairline roughly about 1 finger width. Leave it on for about an hour and wash with your normal shampoo and conditioner. Make sure you get rid of all the buildup that you have on your hair by using clarifying shampoos and conditioners. You can use this remedy twice a week and you will see the result in one use. So guys, that's all for today, and I will see you next time with my new hair care and skincare remedies. See you next time. Bye bye.